How to update your personal information and account settings on GrantWatch.com. In this video, we will be discussing how to update your personal preferences on your GrantWatch account. First, log into GrantWatch and in the top right-hand corner, click My Account. Click on your My Account dashboard in the drop-down menu. In this dashboard, you can update your personal preferences, change your password, unsubscribe from our mailing list, and cancel your subscription by turning off your auto-renew. You are unable to add a secondary user to your account without purchasing a multiple user license. However, you can share the username and password at your discretion with others. For security reasons, only our support team can update the email address on file. If you wish to update your username or email address, please email support@grantwatch.com or use our online contact form. Please advise us in your message what you'd like to change the email address from and to. Once this has been completed for you, we will send you an email confirmation. You can also view your grant history and grant calendar in the My Account drop-down menu. Watch more videos in our series to learn other useful tips on GrantWatch.com.